Changing the security settings on your Claro 2026 device can help protect your personal information and enhance your privacy. Follow these steps to adjust the security settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Unlock your Claro 2026 and locate the settings app on your home screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu where you can adjust various options. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the security option. Tap on it to enter the security settings where you can manage passwords, screen locks, and other security features. Step 3. Set up screen lock. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable device encryption. Find the option for encryption within the security settings. If available, enable device encryption to protect your data. This may require you to set a secure lock method if you haven't done so already. Step 5. Manage app permissions. Return to the main security settings and look for app permissions or app security. Review the permissions for each app and adjust them according to your comfort level, limiting access to sensitive information if necessary. After completing these steps, your Claro 2026 will have enhanced security settings tailored to your preferences. Regularly review these settings to ensure your device remains secure.